Loudness. You've heard the name, but what is it really? This is what you will learn in this video. My name is Pierre-Yves Metreux with TWR Europe and the Global Audio and Acoustics team. Look at this file. Look at that one. Do you see a difference? Yes, there is a difference. Look at the peaks. You see, the peaks are equal on both files, but the density is different. On the left one, the valleys are deeper. On the right one, the density is higher. Let's listen to these files. But before that, I need to tell you that most computers now have a loudness control. So you need to go and make sure your loudness control is turned off. This is how it looks like on my Windows computer. Now, once you're sure your loudness control is turned off, listen carefully to the following two abstracts of these two files.
Please write to Christ to the World Ministries, care of Transworld Radio. Please write to Christ to the World Ministries, care of Transworld Radio.
Did you hear a difference? Yes. The first one was quieter. And it was 6 dB quieter. That's quite something. And the loudness is actually a new method for measuring how loud your audio is. Now, which one of the two is best? Well, if we use AM broadcast, then it doesn't really matter because we have audio processors that do anyway what it takes to be heard. In other words, they compress a lot. But the left one is nice to listen at home in a quiet environment. The right one is appropriate for listening in a car, in a noisy environment, or on a smartphone where the loudspeaker is not especially big. The problem is, if we broadcast these two files on the same channel, then the listener will hear 6 dB difference, or maybe a little bit less if the audio processor does a good job. Now look at this example. This is a file that we received from a producer. You see this jump down here? 10 dBs. Do you really want your listener to hear 10 dBs difference in your file? Probably not. So, the problem that we have is we have loudness differences between files. This can be an advantage, but then we have loudness differences on a channel. And then we have loudness differences within a file. And this is not good. So the solution is to switch to loudness measurement and go away from peak measurement. We will go towards loudness adjustment versus peak adjustment, or loudness normalization versus peak normalization. More on that on the next video. My name is Pierre-Yves Metreux with TWR Europe and the Global Audio and Acoustics team. Thank you for watching.